Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the New Age Imports cast iron cauldron, which is ideal for smudging, incense burning, ritual purpose, decoration, candle holder, and whatever. 6-inch in diameter. You can buy a different diameter for different price, and they look a little bit different, I think, with different diameters, so you have to be careful what you really buy. Here you have some more pictures. It looks like the handlebar has a little bit a dent, so it will be really interesting to see how it is in real life, if it's dented just here on the picture or it will be dented. Yeah, so it will be really interesting to see how this really looks. So I have ordered the 6-inch in diameter, which is the largest, and it's around $18, goes up and down a little bit. It's Amazon's choice, which is good, and it has 79% 5-star reviews and only 5% 1-star reviews. And what do people say with the 1-star review? So I've been reading a little bit in the reviews, and most people are complaining about the size, and I will definitely measure the size. And here also the same thing, was not as expected 6-inch, but was only 4-inch in diameter. Big rip-off, tiny. Even a 1-ounce bottle of essential oil is bigger. And yeah, same here, extremely small and entirely small. I mean, of course, I noticed that before I bought it. When you click on the thing which you want to buy, it says, like here, it says 2.5 diameter. It says 4 inches diameter handle to handle, but 2.5 inside diameter and 1.75 inches high. And I've bought this one. So it says 6-inch in diameter, handle to handle, and inside dimension should be 4 1/8 in diameter. So this is what I'm expecting from my cauldron. And if it's smaller, yeah, then I will definitely complain and probably return, but let's see how it turns out. Here at the unboxing of the Iron Cauldron, yeah, here sticker, you can see same company's name. It's cheap packaging, but I don't expect anything special. I don't know what that is. Has that been a hole? That's strange. Never seen something like that. Somebody has cut a hole in the box and they saved the box with this. So strange. If a company has to save a box, I mean, yeah, you can say it's an environment protection. Okay, yeah, no problem with that. So let's take it out of the box. Has a little bit of protection inside. Yeah, put it on something that I don't scratch the desk. So I've put down a mouse pad and a piece of paper. Looks a little bit strange, but it helps that you can see it better than the black mouse pad. So yeah, that's it. I mean, it looks a little bit different from the thing which I have seen on Amazon. I think that looked actually black. So I've checked the pictures back on the Amazon listing, and this thing is definitely black on the pictures on Amazon, and it definitely looks different. At the bottom it has like 3 holes or something like that, or 3 dents. In the original, I mean, I'm not complaining about that. I'm complaining about the color of the handle. Definitely, it looks like the in the original it's some kind of iron cast as well, the handle, which even when it doesn't have perfect shape, it would definitely look better, I think. And this is more like silver, or it's hard to tell what color it really is. It is definitely not black, and the thing which they show on Amazon, this is definitely black. It's supposed to be black. This is not black. Yeah, I mean, I'm not saying it's a bad thing. It's just not what the listing says. Regarding the size, it's pretty accurate. When we check this, it says 4 1/8 of an inch. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty close. Yeah, that's definitely no complaint about the diameter. The size is definitely good, but the handle, yeah, so the handle is definitely not what it's supposed to be. Maybe I'll try maybe to remove the handle, because the handle is really a little bit bothering me. I mean, the thing is really good quality, it's good looking. This is like, yeah, it ruins everything. It I don't know, so looks, for me, it looks a little bit cheap. The rest is really good, looks stable, decent quality. It's not perfect, but it doesn't have to be perfect. It's something like old style. That's good so far. Yeah, I have to think about, but I just wanted to let you know what you can expect from this. Yeah, I think I'm done now with the review. I will test it with small fire, something like that, and try to I mean, yeah, and see, test how resistant or resistive this color will be. If it comes off quickly, I will definitely update the review, at least in the description, and let you know how it looks like after the first fire or so, and how it turned out. This is just, yeah, unboxing and first quick review, and probably I will do another review later on and see how it develops with this color. I don't know what kind of color it is. Looks like some kind like burned in color. I'm not sure how long this will last, so I will definitely try and update later or make another review, and will let you know. So I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.